At this point in time, we're in March 2023, and the state of the market is in very interesting times. The Fed has raised rates consistently since the middle of the summer, and we're just in a very interesting and, in my opinion, weird environment as the tides are changing. Sellers are still wanting peak value pricing, and buyers are 20 to 30% off of a discount from where they were previous to the beginning of 2022 and before the Fed started increasing rates. Florida still remains a state of which investment dollars are flowing, of which capital is coming to. There's been a lot of activity in the state. We still remain a very great place to, one of the best places in the world to place capital. A, we're in the United States of America, the best place to invest. B, we're in Florida, arguably the best state to invest in. And then C, we're in the Tampa MSA, which is on the west coast of Florida, arguably the best MSA growth-wise. And so investment dollars are continuing to come here, and with the rates changing, it's definitely making dynamics a little bit more interesting. Lenders are still doing deals. They're looking at deals. They are just being a little bit more cautious and careful and optimistic about the type of assets that they're lending on, the type of deals that they're lending on. They really want to see historical operational history there. They want to make sure that they have tenants that have been there for a while, that have operating, that have been paying the rent, and they're really they're requiring a little bit more equity into deals. In today's world, it's probably more so in that 60 to 70% LTV, depending upon the asset makeup. And their debt coverage ratio is something that they're looking very closely at to just confirm that the rents coming off the property are going to be able to support the loan. So those are a couple things on the lending environment. A good friend of mine, Spencer Mortides with Alliant Partners, always says this, and it's a Warren Buffett quote, that it's wise for investors to be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. And I think that's a great quote for these times. They're definitely different than what we've experienced, leading up to the pandemic and post-pandemic, and kind of post, interest rates start, the hikes of the interest rates starting, but fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. And I think that's a good quote to leave you with.